just started out on Twitch and your broadcasts are well received, then maybe now is the best time for you to set up your Twitch donations. Twitch uses subscriptions or bits as a way for viewers to help streamers. However, if you don't have a partnership status with Twitch, then you might be unable to receive money directly from them. But don't worry, because you can easily use third-party platforms to receive donations or tips. In this video, we'll guide you in setting up one to help you get started. First things first, make sure that you have a PayPal, UnitPay, or a Skrill account where you will receive the donated tips. Once you have one of those accounts set up, you can now choose a platform where you can receive donations. For this example, we will be using Streamlabs as our third-party platform. To set it up, you just have to go to www.streamlabs.com and then log in. Next, click on Account, then select Settings. You can now select on which account you want to receive your money. In this case, we will select PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and confirm linking both accounts together. Next, head over to the Settings tab. Here, you can set up options, like the minimum amount of money that your viewers can give. On the same tab, you'll be able to see a link that your viewers can use to donate or tip. Finally, head back to your Twitch dashboard, or simply go to twitch.tv/, followed by your username. Scroll down, and on the About tab, toggle the Edit Panel button. Click the big plus sign below, then select Add a Text or Image panel. To create your donation button, upload the image you want to use, and paste your Streamlabs donation link on the field underneath the Image Links To. Once you're done, you can title your panel Donations, or Tips, or whatever you want. Click on Submit, and you're done. But if you'd rather not use any third-party application, then you can also choose to just paste in your PayPal link instead, so your viewers can directly send tips to your PayPal account. Now you're ready to start receiving those sweet, sweet Twitch donos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification icon to watch other how-to videos. Also, make sure to check out one of these other cool guides that we think can really help you out.